Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we go behind the scenes of big companies and see what is really going on beneath the surface. Today we're cracking open a fascinating report that shows a company not just changing its name, but morphing into something quite new. Get ready for a look at Quantumzyme Corp's latest moves, which could signal a big shift toward artificial intelligence. Before we dive in, if you like getting straight insights from these corporate filings, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We also have a Discord community linked in the description below where we discuss these reports in more detail. Alright, let's get into this. This report, filed on the 13th of February 2026, is telling us about some pretty significant changes that actually started taking shape around November of 2025. Think of it as a company rebranding itself, but with a future-focused twist. First off, Quantumzyme Corp is identifying itself as an emerging growth company. This means they're considered a smaller, newer public company and get some regulatory breathing room, which can be helpful as they grow and try new things. The big news here is a change in name and a change in how the company is known in the stock market. The board of directors approved changing the company's name from Quantumzyme Corp to Quantum Genesis AI Corp. Yes, you heard that right. AI is now part of the name. This wasn't just a sudden decision either. The people who own most of the company's stock, about 79.56% of the voting power, agreed to this name change back on the 30th of November, 2025 through a written consent. This important amendment to their official founding documents called Articles of Incorporation was officially filed with the state of Nevada on the 11th of February 2026. This filing is what makes the name change official. What does this mean for investors? Well, the company's stock trading symbol is also changing. Starting the 17th of February 2026, you'll see them trading under a new symbol, QGI. This signals a fresh start and likely reflects their new direction. Importantly, this name and symbol change won't alter the fundamental rights of shareholders, nor will it change the number of shares they have or their value. Their unique identification number for trading, the QSIP number, will remain the same. So why the name change and the focus on AI? It suggests Quantumzyme Corp is making a strategic pivot, likely integrating artificial intelligence more deeply into its business model, or even shifting its primary focus to AI-related technologies. This is a common move for companies looking to capitalize on emerging trends and signal their future ambitions to the market. Now, let's peek at the exhibits attached to this filing. These are the official documents that back up the claims made in the report. Exhibit 3.1 is the actual certificate of amendment that was filed with the state on the 11th of February 2026. This is the legal paperwork that officially changed the company's name. And Exhibit 104 is the cover page interactive data file. This is essentially a machine-readable version of the report's cover page used for regulatory purposes. Looking at the signatures, we see Naveen Krishnara Kulkarni, the Chief Executive Officer, signing off on this report on the 13th of February 2026, confirming the accuracy of the information presented. This filing itself is quite straightforward, mainly announcing a name and symbol change. There are no financial tables in this specific report to analyze, which is a bit unusual for a detailed corporate filing like an 8 typically. An 8K is used to announce material events that shareholders need to know about quickly. In this case, the material event is the formalization of a name change that reflects a strategic shift, probably towards AI. So, what is the story here? Quantumzyme Corp is rebranding as Quantum Genesis AI Corp. This isn't just a cosmetic change, it signals a commitment to artificial intelligence. Companies making such a pronounced shift in their name, especially by incorporating AI into it, are often looking to attract new investment, reposition themselves in the market, or may have indeed made significant advancements or changes in their business strategy related to AI. One of the key things to watch with a company like this, especially one that is an emerging growth company, is how it actually implements its new strategy. Does the Genesis AI part mean they are developing new AI products, acquiring AI companies, or partnering with AI firms? Without detailed financial statements attached to this specific 8K, it's hard to see the immediate financial impact. However, the move itself is a strong statement of intent. The potential opportunities for Quantum Genesis AI Corp are vast if they can genuinely leverage AI effectively. The AI market is booming and a well-executed strategy could lead to significant growth. However, the risks are also substantial. The AI space is highly competitive, and many companies are vying for dominance. If the strategic shift doesn't translate into tangible products, services, or revenue streams, the rebranding could be seen as just that, a rebranding without fundamental business improvement. In conclusion, Quantumzyme Corp's transformation into Quantum Genesis AI Corp is a bold declaration of its future direction. It is a company betting heavily on the promise of artificial intelligence. While this filing is short on financial details, The change in name and trading symbol is a significant signal to the market about where management sees the company heading. We'll need to keep a close eye on future filings to see if this AI focus translates into concrete business results and profitability. Alright, that is our dive into Quantumzyme Corp's latest announcement. What is your take on this AI rebranding? Do you think it is a smart move or just marketing hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown valuable, hitting that like button really helps us out, and subscribing ensures you don't miss our future corporate deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord channel linked in the description for more discussions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Corporate Decode.